How long does it take to get LSAT accommodations approved? If you are considering requesting accommodations for the law school admission test, you might be wondering how long the approval process takes. The timeline can vary, so let's break it down. First, you need to register for the law school admission test before you can request any accommodations. The Law School Admission Council will not review accommodation requests from candidates who have not registered. Once you are registered, you must submit all required forms and supporting documents by the accommodation request deadline for your specific test date. It is important to submit everything on time because late requests are generally not considered. After you submit a complete accommodation request, the Law School Admission Council aims to review it and respond within approximately 2 weeks. This response will be posted to your Law School Admission Council Juris Doctor account. If you have previously been approved for accommodations, the process is much quicker. You will automatically be approved for the same or equivalent accommodations on future tests without needing to submit documentation again. In this case, you can expect to receive an approval letter within about 1 week of registering for the test. However, if your request is denied or only partially approved, you have a short window to appeal the decision. You must notify your intent to appeal within 2 business days and submit your appeal within 5 calendar days. Typically, appeal results are provided within 1 week after submission. Keep in mind that processing times may be longer if your request is submitted close to the test date or if there are pending deadlines for earlier test administrations. Therefore, it is wise to plan ahead. From a law school perspective, early and thorough preparation for accommodations is essential. Registering for the law school admission test well before deadlines and submitting all documentation promptly can help avoid delays. Once your accommodations are approved, you should integrate them into your study plans. This will help you simulate actual test conditions effectively. In summary, expect about 2 weeks for initial accommodation approval after submitting a complete request on time. However, be prepared for possible longer waits depending on individual circumstances and timing. Those with prior approvals will experience a faster process. Understanding this timeline can help you manage your expectations and prepare effectively for test day.